Hey everybody, Jason here. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Thank you for everybody who joined me on the live stream on Saturday. I think that was pretty awesome. So today looks like we are up a bit, kind of makes up for our down day Friday. Actually, I think we ended up the day or ended down the day Friday about $7,000 on our account value. So we're kind of just even with that. So that bit of dip of Tesla just kind of just rebounded to where it was. So today I was taking a look. This Google put credit spread. We don't have very much money left in that. So $2 worth of risk that I have left, even though I doubt it'll go down that far. But in reality, I'm risking $500 in collateral to collect another $2. So is that worth it? No. I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and roll this guy out. We'll just go ahead and do another play on the same thing. And we'll go look for it real quick and roll this guy out. And there we go. Actually, these two. So $1,000 collateral to collect another $4 by Friday. Not worth it. So we will go ahead and hold that guy down and buy back the ones we sold. And then, of course, Robinhood always resets it. I liked it before where it just stayed in the same spot. I don't know if this is supposed to help you out or protect you or what. So this is basically closing it out. We could just close it out, but I'm going to go out another few weeks and open up. Ooh, these are $50 spreads now. Let's see, can we find a place where we're doing $5 spreads? Don't really want to put $5,000 down on that. But I still like these. There's $1,000. Come on. $25.50, $25.40 to collect a whole $60. So what I'm going to do on this is, because we have two of these, which have $500 collateral each in them, and then this is going to require, okay, guess we jumped around a bit. So this one here, this 813 and this 813, these have $500 collateral, and we have two of those, and we're going to use that same collateral to open up another one, both expiring on 9/10, but I want to use that same amount of collateral. So what I'm going to do in this case is hit edit ratio, and we are going to go to our 813s and hit two of those, because for each one of these that we close out, we're going to open up one of these. Pretty straightforward, but that way we take our $1,000 total collateral from two of them, $500 a pop, and roll it over into one position of $1,000 collateral. Go ahead and hit continue, and can we get $120? That'd be pretty cool. We'll try. And this is going to be a credit. I have this feeling that I'm going to have to grab less, because I think it only showed. Oops, move that guy out of the way. 115. Let's see if I can grab $110. And again, credit. I think the bid ask is totally out of whack here. Continue, and then you'll see this always comes down, because when I put in my offer, that adds to the bid and ask and brings up or down the averages. See if we can grab $100 somehow, but I think it was only showing about $60, which is fine. It's 5% on Google. Keep lowering this. You never know when you might get filled at some price that's pretty decent. Yeah, we're going to end up down at that $60 level. I'm pretty sure. Credit. Hey, 80 bucks. All right, well, we'll take it. And let's see where that shows. So got rid of those. That closes that out. And let's see where it puts us. Okay, so we might have been able to get another $10 had we waited a little bit. Still showing 120, but that's okay. Just wanted to have one going on Google. Grabbed one on Amazon, and we have our Netflix Iron Condor. So looking to get some put credit spreads just kind of on the FANG stocks. We'll probably increase the amount that we do on some of those. Hey, here's our Iron Condor that we opened up. That thing's doing pretty well, about a 40% gain. I did see a comment asking, like, how do you know when to close these? So when you close them is up to you. I believe statistically 75% is the optimal amount, but just depending on what your goals, thoughts, what your price target is, what you think is going to happen, that's when you close these out. But let's go ahead and do a 75%, and we'll do it good till close. So if we gain, let's see, on our 123 about 90 bucks, which would leave about $33, that would be about a 75% gain. So we'll go ahead and put that order in, and we'll just make it good until canceled. So we'll hit close on this, and when we can close it for we'll do the $32. See, is that going to be correct? No, 30. I think 31. That gives us about a 75% profit. We'll go up to this little arrow, or this little gear up here in the corner. This is in the way. And we'll just hit this little slider that shows good till canceled. Pop out of that. And that means anywhere between now and the 27th, as soon as this reaches 75% profitability, this will automatically close. So we'll go ahead and do that. Swipe up. Obviously, it won't close right now, and we can always go back and find this order and adjust it if we want to, but we don't expect that. The thing about those good to close orders, and me entering those, since I'm in my account pretty consistently throughout the day, I don't put a lot of those in, but I have been bitten a couple times where I would have closed a position out, but things moved too quickly, like during a meeting or when I was just doing something else, where it would be prudent to put those in. So any questions on any of that stuff, I encourage you to leave a comment down below. We can answer those. We have our iron, or our broken wing butterflies on the SPY, 2-3 of those, 4 of those expiring this week. 1 on Wednesday, 2 on Friday. We have put credit spread that we put on the SPY during dip at some point. And then what else do we have expiring this week? Let's just go through those. A couple more calls that we sold on Tilray on our shares. 2 stock covered calls that sold on Tesla, and that's all we have expiring this week. So should be pretty decent. What do we have? $1,600 more buying power, so we could open up one or two more put credit spreads. We may do that, but as far as just overall, I'm very happy with the positions that we have on here. The only one really going against me is this put credit spread that I opened up on Amazon foolishly pre-earnings, to be honest. And then I opened one just above it, a call credit spread, to collect some additional premium to kind of offset the loss here. I do need Amazon to get above that 3,400 upon expiration in order for this not to be a big loser, and we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Love you guys, and let's make a lot of money.